Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the SD card at the Huawei Y6s. So first of all, we need the pin for removing the SIM tray. You will find it in the box. If you have put it back well, you will have it here on that little instruction box here. And here it is. So fold the card like this and remove the pin like this. In case you cannot find it again, of course, you could use also here. Let me show you it again. This is how it looks like. But in case you cannot find it again, so you could use also, of course, the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, here on the first position, and here maybe on the second position, you will have the SIM card, and the SD card you will put always here at the end, like this. So it has to look like this finally. And the contacts are below. Okay, and if you're ready with it, you put that construction here back into the phone like this. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, maybe like how to transfer data then to the microSD card if you have it inserted. And yeah, would be a pleasure to see you again. Maybe subscribe my channel. And yeah, would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.